In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce checkout page. We'll work right inside WordPress using the site editor, so you won't need to touch code. First, sign into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Appearance and hover over it, then choose Editor. This opens your theme's site editor. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your theme and hosting, it might take a few seconds. If your site uses a block-based theme, you'll see the visual layout of your pages and templates here. Once the editor is open, look to the left panel and click Pages. A drawer will slide out showing your site's pages. Find the checkout page, hover over it, and click Edit when the button appears. The editor will switch to that page. If you're not immediately seeing the checkout layout, use the page preview or selector at the top to make sure you're viewing the checkout page specifically. Now you can start customizing. Click any element directly on the canvas to edit its text. You'll see a small toolbar above the block and options in the right sidebar. If there's content you don't want to show, like a note or a heading, select it, open the More Options menu for that block, and choose Hide. This keeps the item out of view without deleting it, which is helpful if you might bring it back later. To add new content, look for the plus icons around the page. Clicking a plus reveals the blocks you can insert in that area, things like headings, paragraphs, images, or columns, depending on what the theme allows in that section. Place your new block, then adjust its text, alignment, and spacing using the toolbar and sidebar settings. Keep in mind that the checkout has required fields and form blocks provided by WooCommerce. It's best not to remove essential form elements like billing details, shipping details, and payment blocks, as customers need those to complete orders. Rearranging is just as simple. Hover over a block until your cursor becomes a hand, then click and drag it to a new position. Watch for placement indicators so you know exactly where it will land. Small shifts, like moving a trust badge above the payment section or placing a short note near the order summary, can improve clarity and conversion without disrupting the form. When you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner. You may see a summary of what's being saved. Confirm to apply everything. After saving, visit your live checkout to verify the layout, and check it on mobile as well to ensure everything looks clean and usable. That's it. Your WooCommerce checkout page is now customized and ready for customers.